Doing? It's Mark, and it is Sunday afternoon. Just got back from an event and realized I have a package that I need to open up, so I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. It's one of those tear-off ones. I like those. What the heck did I order? Oh, you know what this is. This is actually for my mother-in-law. This is actually a inline rocker switch for one of her devices in her house so that she doesn't have to reach down and unplug it from a wall or behind a case or whatever the case may be. Actually got two of those. And if that didn't work out, I ended up buying one of these, which is basically the same thing. Plug it into the wall, plug it into the device as an inline rocker switch. That should work. Cool. Glad that got here. Anyway, that's what I have for you guys today. Hopefully you have a great day. You know what I say, as always, have a great day, unless, of course, you've made other plans. Till the next time, peace out.